Hey guys, contrary to popular belief, you cannot take your Galaxy S9 into the ocean or put it into contact with salt water. Mine was in contact with salt water, and in this video, we're going to talk about what I'm doing about it. Let's get it on! What's going on, guys? My name is Jay and welcome back to Planet Galaxy, showing you all things related to the Galaxy S9, accessories, tips, tricks, tutorials, and sometimes the news. So if you have a Galaxy S9, then you definitely need to subscribe to this channel. Okay guys, so I'm trying a new format here, the vertical format if you're watching me here on YouTube or even on IGTV. But if you guys are watching me on YouTube, you can definitely click the little button down here to watch the video full screen. Okay, so my Galaxy S9 fell into a saltwater pool last Saturday, about a week ago today. It's Friday. No, it's Saturday today. So it's about a week ago. Went into a saltwater pool at a really rich person's house, and I thought that it could dry out, but I was wrong. The phone has been disabled for about a week now. I called T-Mobile. I'll show you what's going on with my new phone, but first, let's give my old Galaxy S9 a try. Now, let's try to charge it up, and let's see what happens. Okay, let's get some power going. Okay, as you can see, the phone is off, but yet I'm charging it and nothing is happening. Have a little bit of light flickering there. It looks like it's going to receive a charge, but it does not. Okay, and this is really everything that's happening. Oh, there we go, some more. The light is still flickering. Now, you know, based on a bunch of other YouTube videos that you may have seen here, on YouTube, the salt water tends to corrode the ports and everything else that you might find in the Galaxy S9. And so when the water dries, the salt just does a really bad job of corroding the ports. Okay, so you know, I find this to be really kind of a funky thing, and I obviously I'm not happy. As I mentioned in my last vlog, which you can see right here by clicking on this button right here, you can tell that I was really upset when I got back to New York, and I called T-Mobile and they were not going to replace my phone because they felt that if the phone had received water damage, they are not going to replace it or do anything with it, despite boasting that the phone can remain in water for up to 5 feet for up to 30 minutes. That's, you know, that's the big claim they make. But when the phone goes in there, they say, if there's water damage, we're not touching it. So I think that's really unfair. And so the third-party company that they work with is named Assurant. They sent me my new phone, which is right here. Okay, and as you can see, my number is there, and everything seems to be working great. Let's put in my code, and as you can see, everything seems to be working really fine. There seems to be no problem at all. I was really happy with my new phone that I got from T-Mobile through Assurant after paying my $175 deductible, and yeah, I was pretty happy until I found this. Now, we all get the Galaxy S9. Their big thing is the camera. But look what happens when I put the camera on. Okay, so selfie mode seems to be working just fine, as you can see here. Okay, but when you have the rear camera, I'm going to show you what the view is from the rear camera. Right here. Can you guys see that? Look at the jitter. The camera literally is jittering. And this is how pictures are taken. This is how video looks when you take a video. So let's take a video right now. So right now we're shooting this video. Let me see if I can get it good for you. Okay. And all right, let's give it a test. Let's stop it there. Let's play it back. So right now we're shooting this video. Let me see if I can get it good for you. Okay. And all right, let's give it a test. Okay, so as you can see, the camera is absolutely unusable. So I contacted T-Mobile and Assurant, and I said to these guys, listen, you need to fix this problem. You won't replace, you're refusing to honor your waterproof or water resistant claims on the phone. So, luckily I have insurance. You send me a new phone with a completely faulty camera. So now T-Mobile, not Assurant, but T-Mobile is sending me a new phone, which has arrived at my local T-Mobile store. It's already there. I'm going to pick it up tomorrow, and I have to exchange this phone and give this to the T-Mobile folks when they give me their new phone, and then the old phone, which refuses to charge and has saltwater damage, has to go back to the insurance company. So these are some of the issues that I'm having now with the Galaxy S9. But if you guys were wondering about if the Galaxy S9 can handle water or salt water, especially if you take this thing to the beach, please do not put it in the water. In fact, I wouldn't put it in a pool or fresh water at all, because should there be any damage, water damage to your Galaxy S9, U-Break, iFix, Samsung, or anyone related to Samsung is not going to touch your phone with a 10-foot pole. So please keep your phone safe. Get a waterproof case for your phone. Maybe I'll do a review. If you guys know of any great waterproof cases for the Galaxy S9, please leave it in the comments down below. So until the next video, this is Jay with Planet Galaxy signing off. Save the planet. Testing. Take one. Saltwater Galaxy S9. Why are you laughing?
Saltwater.
That's terrible.
Sounded like a testing word, but it's like code red. Saltwater, emergency.